The right place on the right part of your head.
Hello.
Yes.
Oh, look at that. What's that? Look, look, look. There she is.
Oh,
Oh.
oh, lovely. Cuddle. How are you? Can you speak now?
Yeah.
Yes? Oh, good. Lovely. So shall we go and play something? Yeah, look. Here's a fishing net. You could put that in your bag. Just put it behind your shoulder and let it go. That's it. Let it go. There, it's gone in your bag.
I'll stay
If you
that
put your hand behind your shoulder like that. If you put your hand behind your shoulder like this, and then you just pull your bag off like I have in my hand.
Hello. Hello.
Oh, that's lovely.
Can I change my avatar?
Yeah, should we go change it? We got to run this way.
I'll follow you.
Here
I
she
can't
comes.
change my skin.
Oh, there she is.
Oh, you look nice. I like your pink dress, your pink skirt. Get that chicken. Go away, chicken. Coming to get ya. Ah, he's jumping on you. Go away, chicken. Oh, he's dead. Now this is how you can cook the meat. You put the meat by the fire, and then when it turns brown, then it's cooked. You watch it now. Remember the first videos? Just pop it on there. That's it. And once it turns brown, pick it up, and then you can eat it. Won't take long. Shouldn't take long. One of these round ones will go in a minute. Don't get too close because you'll burn yourself. Oh, that's not ready yet. It's not brown. It'll just pop in a minute and then it'll be brown. I like your pink skirt. That's nice.
I like the black shirt.
The black shirt's nice as well, yeah. So it's fun, isn't it, changing your colours, isn't it? There's one. There's a brown one. Quick. Pick it up. That's it. Now you can eat that. Another one.
I just threw it in.
Oh, that's all right. Do you remember when I used to take you to school through Pencester and we'd throw pieces of wood over the bridge into the water and then run to the other side and watch them coming out?
Yeah.
You remember that?
Yeah.
It was fun. Are you getting bored?
No.
Good. Let's go and see if there's any ghosts.
No, I'm scared of ghosts.
No, all right.
I ain't afraid of no ghosts.
Frank's not afraid. Here is an axe. You go chop down a tree. Go and chop down a tree. Here you go.
I just
hold
throw
of it.
dynamite at them.
Oh, just chop down this tree like you really would chop down a tree. Oops.
Ooh, is there any coal in there?
So there's wood.
Oh, we can light it then.
You have to turn it round so the blade hits the tree.
Yeah, harder.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
yes.
Oh!
Didn't shout timber.
Timbers.
Brr. Do it again. A bit harder. Can't you try it from the right like that? That's it. Now hit that. Now hit that, and it will break. Hit that up. Harder. Oh. Try and roll it into my feet. There you made some logs. Oh, turn it round in your hand. Hold it with two hands and turn it so that you can hit prop.
No, one hand. Do it one hand.
That's it.
Yay.
You hit it. Hit the tree stump and it will disappear. Not nick my axe.
I think she just nicked your axe with a lantern. She did. She did.
He's nicked my axe.
I know.
Oi! Oi! Mrs. Come here with my axe. Give me that axe. Right, give me that axe. Give me it. Give me. Come here. I'm gonna get you. Give me that axe. Give me it back. I'm gonna grab your bag. Oh. Yeah, I'm coming. I'm coming. Right, watch out. Do we light some fireworks, Katie?
Hang on.
Once you've got all the wood. We've only got red ones. Give a stick.
I've got 41 wood.
Wow, that's good.
Fun. Now you can build something nice with that. Let's just make a.
Put them in my storage.
No more storage. Okay, she's got a. We'll give her something. Here you go, like this. Oh. There. Right. Where is she? Yeah, Katie. Come and light these fireworks. Did you find any more in that chest?
Hang on, I'm just sorting out the headset because it hurts. It's hurting.
Oh, go down a bit. Hello. Is that better?
Here you are. Here's this.
Go to
Katie.
the left, Katie.
Katie.
Come here.
Yeah. Come and light the fireworks. Come and light these. Put the flame near the bottom of the firework. And it'll go off. Just one at a time so you can see.
There it
right,
goes.
It's gotta go.
Whoa.
Did you see it?
Nice.
Yeah.
Do the other ones.
Do the next one now.
There it goes.
Yeah.
Don't hurt your neck.
Good, isn't it?
Can I do
that's it.
another
Do
one?
them again. Do two together. Do it quickly together. That's it. Now they're going. Oh, you missed that one. There you go. Look up. Yay! See? Good having
That was fun.
fireworks. Fun.
Oh no,
See?
my power's low.
Oh dear. That means you've got to
My
go.
headset power.
Oh look, you can just, let me just show you picking a, look, you can pick up garlic. It grows and then you can eat it. Just pull off the end, just pull off the end. That's it, pull. Hold it tight and pull. Pull hard, just jerk it. That's it. And the root end, and the root end. This end as well. That's it, now you can eat it. Oh no, you've got to cook it.
Smelly breath now.
Garlic. Are you going to eat garlic? Do you like
Go
garlic?
away, you smell.
Well, if you, is your battery going then or something?
I think so.
Get that one out and then you can keep the garlic. And then we'll show you, next time I'll show you how to cook it. Yeah?
I want to eat it.
It won't.
See how
I'll
it
have-
tastes.
Alright, you got to go. Cuddle. Bye-bye. Love you. I'll see you later.
Why? Why?
Bye.